Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're discussing a must-have for every parent who spends time on the road: the Shynerk baby car mirror. This is, without a doubt, the best rear seat mirror for your baby. The Shynerk baby car mirror is designed specifically for parents with rear-facing infants. It features an extra-wide crystal-clear reflection, allowing you to keep an eye on your little one with just a quick glance in the rearview mirror. Safety is the top priority for any parent, and this mirror delivers peace of mind. One of the standout features of this mirror is its shatterproof design. Crafted from high-quality acrylic glass, it's been crash-tested and certified to ensure maximum safety. Even in the unfortunate event of an accident, you can rest assured that your baby remains protected. This durable construction means you won't have to worry about broken glass, making it a reliable choice for any parent. Installing the Shynerk baby car mirror is incredibly easy. The mirror comes fully assembled, and all you need to do is attach it to your car's headrest using the adjustable straps. It fits most vehicles, including cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, making it a versatile option for all families. With its adjustable double-buckle strap system, you can secure it firmly in place within seconds. Another great feature is its 360-degree adjustability. The mirror pivots smoothly, allowing you to find the perfect angle to view your baby without any hassle. This level of flexibility means you can adjust the mirror to suit your seating position and ensure that you can always see your little one, no matter where they are in the backseat. The wide-angled convex design of the Shynerk baby car mirror provides a crystal-clear panoramic view of your baby, making it easy to monitor their activities and ensure they're comfortable. It's designed to help eliminate the anxiety of road trips, allowing you to focus on driving while keeping an eye on your precious cargo. Beyond safety, the Shynerk baby car mirror is lightweight and easy to manage, ensuring it won't add any extra burden while you're driving. The manufacturer stands behind the product, offering a satisfaction guarantee. If you encounter any issues, they promise to resolve them promptly, ensuring you're happy with your purchase. In conclusion, the Shynerk baby car mirror is an essential tool for any parent who wants to ensure their child's safety while traveling. With its shatterproof design, easy installation, and 360-degree adjustability, this mirror stands out as the best rear seat mirror for babies. So, if you want to drive with confidence, make sure to check out the Shynerk baby car mirror. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Safe travels, and see you next time.